In the lush hills of the Eastern Ghats lies Koraput district, a land rich in biodiversity, culture, and time-tested agricultural wisdom. Here, water is a legacy carefully conserved by tribal communities across generations. Koraput receives abundant rainfall during the monsoon, but rapid runoff over undulating terrain and fragile red soils leaves farmers water-stressed in the post-monsoon and summer months. For tribal households, this means low productivity, income insecurity, and high climate risk. Within this landscape lies the Jhola ecosystem, fertile, low-lying lands nourished by seasonal and perennial streams. Over centuries, farmers developed indigenous land and water management systems suited to this environment. At the heart of this system is the Jhola Kundi, a traditional, circular water harvesting structure manually excavated in Jhola lands. With diameters of 4 to 6 meters and depths up to nearly 9 meters, these kundis capture subsurface and base flow water naturally recharged from nearby streams. Even in dry months, they provide dependable water, an indigenous climate adaptation strategy ahead of its time. Traditionally, water lifting relied on manual labor, diesel engines, or unreliable grid electricity, limiting the system's potential and increasing costs and emissions. To strengthen this indigenous wisdom, a climate-resilient intervention was launched under the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, jointly implemented by ICAR, Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation, and the project director, Watershed, Koraput, supported by Government of Odisha. By integrating solar-powered pumps with Jhola Kundis, the system now delivers reliable irrigation with zero fuel cost and minimal carbon footprint. Implemented in 2022-23, the initiative covers 8 blocks and 47 villages, establishing 60 solar-based Jhola Kundi systems. These directly support 60 tribal farmers, benefit 245 family members, and irrigate 135 hectares across seasons. Each system provides 1.1 to 3.3 liters per second of discharge, adequate for diversified cropping. With an approximate cost of 1.5 lakh rupees for the kundi and 1 lakh rupees for the solar pump, the model remains affordable and scalable for small and marginal farmers. Assured irrigation has transformed livelihoods. Farmers now cultivate high-value, climate-resilient crops such as beans, bitter gourd, sweet potato, tomato, chili, brinjal, pea, and pumpkin. Average monthly profit per family has risen to 16,758 rupees, with net returns of 1.73 lakh rupees in 4 months and gross returns exceeding 2.22 lakh rupees per hectare. By replacing diesel and grid power, the system reduces about 56,250 kilograms of CO2 emissions annually, conserving water and energy while aligning tradition with modern climate goals. The solar-based Jhola Kundi is more than an irrigation system. It is climate resilience in action, built on traditional knowledge, strengthened by science, and enabled through institutional partnership. From Koraput's Eastern Ghats, this proven model offers a replicable pathway for water security, livelihood resilience, and climate-smart agriculture across India's rain-fed and tribal regions.
We have used a solar solar system. So this solar system is a renewable energy and it is good for environment. It also reduces the carbon emission. So with this, for this project, I would like to thank our director for bringing this project to our center. I also would like to thank the RKVY project department and our PD Watershed Koraput and all my scientists and technical staff and other administrative staff who worked tirelessly to implement this project. Thank you, Manana.